This city feels like two different worlds layered on top of each other. One built from steel, glass, and modern vibrancy. The other, tradition carved into mountains, fishing villages, verdant trails, and the sea. Most cities pick one identity. This one decided to keep them all. Welcome to Hong Kong. City lights, world-class cuisine, skyscrapers, story culture, and more perfect photo spots than I knew what to do with. To be fair, Hong Kong is all of that. But my 10 days here made me realize social media only shows you half the story. Because what no one tells you about Hong Kong is it might secretly be one of the most outdoorsy cities on Earth. And the surprising part, it all works together perfectly. The MTR arrives so clean and efficiently, you start questioning every other public transportation system you've ever used in your life. Ferries glide across Victoria Harbour like clockwork, synchronize the evening light shows, and trams squeeze between skyscrapers like they've been doing it for 100 years. Because they have. And somehow, the city never feels overwhelming because everywhere you look, nature keeps interrupting it. There's a park within walking distance from anywhere in the city, sometimes right in the middle. Mountains behind skyscrapers, beaches beside financial districts, and lush trails hiding behind apartment towers. Hong Kong feels like someone refused to choose between building a global financial capital and a national park. And maybe that's why I connected with it so much, because before this trip, I think part of me believed that I had to be one thing or another. Fast or peaceful, ambitious or grounded, city life or nature, movement or tranquility. And somehow, it all works together in harmony because that's the thing about Hong Kong. It's a city of contrasts. So much, it naturally feels like it wouldn't work. But it does. The Cape Collinson Battery Trail honestly changed something for me. You climb over this tiny fence, follow handwritten directions scribbled on pipes, and that's the charm of this hike. It's a rugged adventure. You go from urban to jungle and ocean views before you find history waiting for you in the form of a World War II era bunker. This trail isn't polished, but neither is life. No crowds, no noise, no city, just wind, cliffs, and silence. And for a second, everything in your head shuts off. I noticed this contrast over and over again here. One minute I'm eating Michelin-star pan-fried dumplings standing on the side of a building with locals, and a few hours later I'm sipping cocktails above the skyline feeling like I've teleported to a futuristic city from a sci-fi movie. Hong Kong constantly feels futuristic and nostalgic at the same time. A cosmopolitan tapestry woven in heritage, old and new, east and western, luxury and simplicity. And weirdly enough, none of it clashes. It feels human, like the city understands something most places don't, that people are contradictions too. I think that's why this trip stayed with me more than I expected, because Hong Kong never asked me to choose one version of myself. It showed me you can want ambition and peace, adventure and stability, chaos and calm. And maybe that's the real magic of Hong Kong. It's the realization that completely different worlds can exist together beautifully.